The 2026 GMC Savana 8500 motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury mansion on wheels, redefining what power, comfort, and innovation mean for road travel. If you ever dreamed of owning the perfect blend of a truck's strength and a five-star suite's luxury, this masterpiece will blow your mind. Welcome to the car truth. The 2026 GMC Savana 8500 motorhome is one of the most advanced and luxurious creations ever built for the open road. GMC has taken everything people loved about the Savana series and pushed it to an entirely new level, combining raw power with futuristic comfort. Under the hood, this beast roars with a next-generation 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine, delivering immense torque and over 500 horsepower. That power isn't just for show. It ensures the Savana 8500 can handle any terrain, from steep mountain climbs to desert highways, while maintaining a surprisingly smooth and quiet ride. The advanced 10-speed automatic transmission adapts seamlessly to road conditions, optimizing both performance and fuel efficiency. Step inside, and it feels like stepping into another world. The interior of the 2026 Savana 8500 motorhome is pure sophistication. Soft-touch leather seats, adaptive ambient lighting, and an intelligent temperature control system that adjusts automatically to your comfort. GMC's designers have taken inspiration from high-end private jets, giving this motorhome an elegant yet modern aesthetic. The tech inside is just as impressive. A massive 17-inch infotainment touchscreen controls everything, from entertainment to smart home features. The built-in AI assistant can manage lighting, air conditioning, and even open or close shades on voice command. The premium Bose surround sound system makes your favorite music or movies feel immersive, while 5G connectivity ensures you stay online anywhere. Sleeping quarters include a king-size bed with memory foam, a private bathroom with a rainfall shower, and even a compact kitchen with a smart refrigerator and induction cooktop. The space management in the Savana 8500 is next level. Every inch is designed for efficiency without sacrificing luxury. Safety, as expected from GMC, is top tier. The Savana 8500 includes 360-degree cameras, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and an auto-leveling suspension that ensures stability even on uneven roads. Solar panels on the roof provide additional energy independence, while an advanced battery system ensures consistent off-grid power for long journeys. Exterior design is nothing short of breathtaking. The double-layer metallic finish, chrome accents, and aerodynamic curves make this motorhome a moving piece of art. It's tall, bold, and carries an undeniable presence on the highway. Overall, the 2026 GMC Savana 8500 motorhome sets a new benchmark for futuristic travel. It's powerful, smart, and incredibly comfortable, designed for people who want the best of both adventure and luxury. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Car Truth.